Right off the bat, you'll notice the 900 comes with speakers in the front and a 3-inch viewing screen. Turn to the back to find the camera, which can rotate 45 degrees left to right or up and down. Setup takes only a few minutes by first adding the plate and removing the plastic from the sticker. The power adapter is plenty long and connects at the top of the camera and can easily be hidden in the door frame, under the mat, and around the console. CR900 comes with a rear camera with a 240-degree rotation. Installation is the same as before. After the plastic is removed, place in the center of the windshield. The cable plugs in next to the power cord and is double the size, allowing more than enough length for a large SUV. Once the car is turned on, the screen illuminates with a view of the front and rear cameras. An SD card is needed to record, which can be inserted on the side above the controls to navigate through the camera's functions. To change any of the settings, press the OK button on the other side. Crosstour allows you to change resolution, display, select a loop recording time, switch on mirror image, adjust HDR, measuring units, exposure, and turn on motion detection. You can also turn the audio off, add a date stamp, and activate the G sensor, which will automatically record and save footage if ever in a crash. Pressing the up arrow will change the view between the front and back cameras, while the bottom arrow switches off the microphone. The M button on the right side allows different stats to be displayed and playback footage. Crosstour makes it easy to protect important videos by just pressing the lock button. The screen can also be dimmed while recording for distraction-free driving, and pressing the OK button will manually record. Crosstour has the ability to add a license number, select a variety of languages, and turn on the fatigue driving feature to be notified once a certain amount of driving has occurred. And if it couldn't get any better, the CR900 is GPS compatible.
Introducing the Nightscape Dash Camera from Yi Technology. Powerful night vision recording, capacitor dash cam design. With a large 2.4-inch LCD screen. Simple setup means it's ready to go in 5 minutes or less. Once you start the car's engine, it begins recording, so it's ready to go when you are. Record exceptionally detailed footage in crystal clear 1080p, and with a 140-degree field of view, you can cover 3 lanes of traffic. High-quality Sony imaging sensor means you also capture colorful images with all the details. Minimize the potential for human error while driving with the Nightscape Dash Camera. Wide dynamic range algorithm overcomes the issue of dimness and overexposure. The Yi Nightscape Dash Camera helps make the safety of you and your passengers the #1 priority. This is the smartest dash camera on the road, the Nightscape Dash Camera from Yi Technology.
How do you know if you need the latest Garmin Dash Cam? You drive one of these, or this, over epic distances, or just to go get takeout. In bumper-to-bumper traffic.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
To get out of town.
Are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
And see the sights.
Is he pointing at anything in particular?
In all conditions.
Oh, bikes. Mom?
So, you either need to pick up a full-time passenger with a photographic memory.
Oh, I forgot already.
Or one of these. Garmin Dash Cam. The HD driving recorder that remembers all the details of your drive.
Awesome features. Small, that's good. Easy to use. I need that. Okay, now we're talking. Yes, GPS, why not? 4040, that's even bigger. Control with your voice.
Choose a Garmin Dash Cam and pick up the perfect passenger.
This quick start guide will help you get your Rovi camera installed, powered up, and ready to use. Insert a Class 10 micro SD card with up to 64 gigabytes of storage. Micro SD card sold separately. Slide the camera into the magnetic mount. Before removing the red backing tape, Determine optimal camera placement. Clean your window and remove backing tape to install the mount. Press firmly for several seconds to assure a solid bond. To adjust camera angle, press the button and move the camera either up or down. The mount also rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to select any view you want, interior, exterior, or off to the side. Attach the magnetic GPS antenna to the side of the mount. Plug the power cord into the camera and feed the cord into the headliner, across the top of the windshield, and out of the field of vision. Plug in the 12-volt power adapter. You're now ready to power up and start using your Rovi dash camera. For more detailed instructions, refer to your owner's manual.
Take a picture.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.